Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is super exciting. If you are a new content creator and you're looking to plan and batch content but don't know where to start, this is the video for you. We're keeping it super simple today so you can start planning right away. There'll also be a free template for you that is going to be available in the description down below. And without further ado, let's get started. I'll also be doing a follow-up in a more intensive version, so I'll be sharing my own content workflow with you guys. So stay tuned for that. And if you haven't been to my channel yet, welcome. My name is Holly from Life with Holly Lifestyles. I'm so excited to share with you my life as an entrepreneur and my tips and tricks for business. I also share a lot of desk productivity and lifestyle videos. So if you're interested in any of that or all of that, make sure you're subscribed. So without further ado, let's get in. Okay, so here's the free social media calendar template for you guys. It's super simple. It's super easy to use. And I'm just going to go through it with you guys. So you can either change it up a little bit too, or you can just use it as is. So the first view of this is the calendar, which is my favorite view to look at. First off, you can just see everything at a glance. When you are posting that day, you know exactly what you need to post. You have it ready to go. And I also have added filters where you can see what platform it's for and where you're at with it, whether it's filming, editing, upload, or ready to go. Totally depends on how you want it to. So you see up here is that you can view it in different ways. I've created a couple of ways for you to view it with. So we have our main here, which I would use first as our main way to see it. So you have everything you need, the name of the video you're doing, the platform you want to post it on. So we have TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. You can always add more by clicking on the top, and then you click edit properties. And on the side over here, you can add more if you want, or you can even take some away. Then we have is the status. So where you're at with things, there is different statuses you can have. This is what I would do, but you can always take things out or add new things. So I have a brainstorm, up next, filming, editing, upload, and ready. And then last but not least is your post date, which is pretty important, and that will determine where it shows in your calendar view. So if you don't have a date in here, it will not show up on your calendar. And that's as simple as you need it to start, especially if you are trying to just post and see how things go. So this is the perfect way to do so. So the other two views is for you if you want to see the platform separately. So for example, if you just want to see all your TikTok videos, you can just see it all at a glance. Or if you want to see all your YouTube videos, you can see it all at a glance. This is available for free. You can actually go and pick it up. Everything is linked down in the description down below. I hope this mini tutorial and mini kind of look will help you with your content creation, and I can't wait to see you use it. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow me at Life with Holly Lifestyles on Instagram and TikTok, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!